Hello students, in previous part we have understood what is cell cycle or what is cell division. Now we are going to discuss about the types of cell division or kinds of cell division. Now there are three types of cell division. First is the amitosis. It is also called as direct division. The second type is the mitosis. This is also called as equational division or indirect division. And the third type is meiosis. Meiosis is also called as reductional division. These are the three kinds of cell division or three types of cell division. Now we are going to understand what is amitosis. Now amitosis, as I said, it is called as direct division. This amitosis is the simplest mode of cell division. It is the simplest form of cell division. The division in this process or this type occurs without the spindle fiber formation. Now here in amitosis, while the division takes place, there are no spindle fibers formed. Spindle fiber formation does not take place. And that's why it is the simplest form of the cell division or simplest type of cell division. Now, as I said, the cell division undergoes two types of processes. First is karyokinesis and second is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis, that is the nuclear division or the division of the nucleus inside the cell. Now, in karyokinesis, what happens? Suppose if we take an example, suppose this is a cell. This cell is tend to be dividing. Now when it tends to divide, what happens? The nucleus the cell enlarges. The cell gets enlarged and the nucleus which is present inside the cell, it elongates. It becomes longer in this way. And after this, what happens? The nucleus, as it elongates, it divides into two daughter nuclei. The elongated nucleus, then afterwards the elongated nucleus, it gets divided into two daughter nuclei. This is the process of karyokinesis, that is the division of nucleus. After this division of nucleus, cytokinesis takes place. Cytokinesis, that is the division of cytoplasm. The division of cytoplasm. As we know, the nucleus of the cell is surrounded by cytoplasm. So after the division of nucleus, this cytoplasm also tends to divide. So the division of cytoplasm is called as cytokinesis. Just like the nucleus, the cytoplasm also elongates and it divides into two. Now after the division, we get two daughter cells. This is the process of cell division, or you can say this is the process of amitosis. In amitosis, in karyokinesis, the nucleus of the cell, in the process of karyokinesis, the nucleus of the cell divides into two daughter nuclei. And after this, the cytokinesis takes place, that is division of cytoplasm. After the division of cytoplasm, we get two daughter cells. Now this type of cell division is found in, or this type of cell division occurs in the unicellular organisms. Abnormal cells, or you can say diseased cells, old cells and fetal membrane cells. So amitosis can be observed in unicellular animals, for example amoeba. So this amitosis occurs in the unicellular animals. Abnormal cells or diseased cells, the diseased cells which tend to divide faster, they divide in this they divide by this process, amitosis. Old cells, fetal membrane cells. So this is the process of amitosis. The division of the cells takes place in two processes, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means nuclear division. The nucleus which is present inside the cell, it divides into two daughter nuclei, and after that the cytoplasm of the cell divides into two, and after the division of cytoplasm we get two daughter cells. This is the process of amitosis.